Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. If you want to reset your Plenty of Fish password or if you want to change your password, then let me teach you how. First of all, open your web browser. So I'm going to use Firefox as my web browser and gonna type www.pof.com and hit enter. As you can see, it will take me to the official website of Plenty of Fish dating app. Now to change your password, you need to go to my profile, which is on the top screen of this web page, and click on edit profile. Now scroll down a little bit, and as you can see on the right screen of this web page, change your password or update your password in settings, then click on change button and it will take you to this web page. Now as you can see in the right corner, old password, put in your old password and put in your new password. Also confirm your new password and click on change. Now as you can see, your password has been changed, and that's how you reset your password on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.